Well, you're kind of underqualified for this job, but it doesn't mean you can't get it. So why are you here?
I don't think I really want the job.
Wow. Then why are you here? Why are you wasting my precious time?
I'm here for something else.
Okay. Then what is that something?
I'm here for the flower. The blue flower.
What blue flower?
Don't you lie to me. I was told that I would find it here, and I know that it is here.
I'm sorry, Akash, if you have confused us with a flower shop. The flower shop is on the other side of the street. You can find all kinds of flowers there. Yellow, red, green, orange, sab kuch.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Akash, I don't think you can talk to me like that.
Can I keep this here? I know that it's here. I can smell it. And I'm not going anywhere until you give it to me.
Okay, Akash, I think you should get the fuck out now.
As I said, I'm not going anywhere until you give it to me. Please, I really need it.
Arey yaar, this is not a flower shop. This is a multinational company, for God's sake. You require some serious mental help. If you don't get out right now, I might have to call the security.
Okay, alright. You know, there's something that appeals to me. Your shirt, your spectacles, and especially your tie. I think
मेरी आंखें झुरी नहीं, इनमें बातें मीठी नहीं। ओ ज़माना कहीं गुम गया, मेरे हाथों से वो मिट गया। मैं हूँ नगमा, ऊंचा नहीं। हाँ मैं सदमा, जो भरा नहीं। तेरी बाहों में मैं सो गया। हाँ वो सपना जिसे मैं भूल गया।
Did all that just really happen? When did I reach my home? Why am I here lying on my bed and looking up above? What am I looking at? I can't sleep, hence, what is real and what's a dream? It's really hard to figure that out. Anyway, what is reality? Nothing seems real anymore. Everything seems like a creation of the mind. Every touch, every smell, every feeling. I have a friend. I can't really call him a friend exactly, cause he's not real. I'm sure of that. Actually, I'm not. He doesn't even act like a friend though. I barely am able to sleep, and when I finally do, I meet him by going into a place from where it's hard to escape from. Sleep paralysis. When you know what's happening is not real, it's a dream, but you can't escape from it. You try to move, but you can't. He talks to me when I'm in that place. Sometimes I think he isn't my friend. He's my demon.
आ गया तू वापस।
जैसे कि मेरे पास ऑप्शन था नहीं आने का।
तू जिंदा बच नहीं सकता,
तू हर बार यही बोलता है।
क्योंकि यही सच है। जिस हिसाब से तू जी रहा है, तू मर जाएगा।
किस हिसाब से जी रहा हूँ मैं? मुझे नींद नहीं आती तो इसमें मेरी क्या गलती? मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है तो इसमें मेरी क्या गलती?
खुद को देखा है कभी? मैं अगर जिंदा होता तो भी तुझे दोस्त नहीं बनाता। इतनी नेगेटिविटी नहीं चाहिए मेरे लाइफ में।
मुझे मरना नहीं है।
जैसे तू जी रहा है, उससे अच्छा तो मर ही जा।
तू मुझे मत बता मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं।
तेरी लाइफ अब मेरे हाथों में है।
चुप। तू असली है भी नहीं, मुझे डरा मत फालतू में।
तू हमेशा ये सपने से उठ जाता है क्योंकि मैं तुझे जाने देता हूँ। कभी सोचा अगर मैं तुझे नहीं जाने दिया तो क्या होगा? यही रह जाएगा तू। तुझे नहीं मानना तो मत मान। वैसे भी तेरे पास एक ही तरीका है जिंदा बचने का, और मुझसे हमेशा हमेशा के लिए छुटकारा पाने का।
और वो क्या है?
द ब्लू फ्लावर।
I wake up after just an hour of sleep. Should I believe him? Is he telling the truth? It's not like I have an option. Because it is true that it's very hard for me to wake up from this sleep paralysis. I fear that someday I can get stuck there, in the demon's world, the world of pain, suffering, and death. Where is this blue flower? Where am I supposed to find it? Why does the demon want it?
Don't you think what happened with Rashi was so bad? I mean, how could he do this to a man? He's such a bad person.
Listen, Lavanya. Do you have it?
Do I have what? LSD? Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
No, I'm not talking about LSD.
Then what? Weed? You know I have a lot of clients,
No,
so
I'm not talking about that.
then what?
The blue flower.
What's that? Is that like a new drug? Well, I don't think so, because if it was, I would have known about it. Duh. You know I'm like the best drug dealer in this town, right?
No, it's not a drug. I don't know what it is. Well, maybe it is. I just need it.
Well then, whatever it is, I don't have it.
Just for once, try to understand the seriousness of the situation. My life depends on it. I really need it.
What happened, Akash? Is someone threatening you? I really don't have anything.
You are lying. I can smell it. I know that it is here.
Akash, you really need to calm down, okay? I don't know what flower you're talking about.
I can't calm down, Lavanya. I really need it. And I need it soon.
Okay. Okay, I will help you find it. What does it look like? Tell me everything.
You really wanna help me?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I do. Like, tell me everything about it so I can help you.
The thing is, I don't know what it is. It may sound stupid, but there is a man in my dreams. He's gonna kill me.
Akash, chill. Dreams aren't real. Nothing's gonna happen to you, okay?
You don't believe me, Lavanya. He's really gonna kill me.
Akash, maybe you should talk to someone. Like, you should. It will help you.
You think I'm crazy, don't you? Give me the blue flower, or else I will have to do something I don't want to do.
Akash, okay. You're scaring me a little bit.
Yes, I am, because you're forcing me to.
मेरी आंखें झुकी नहीं, इनमें बातें मीठी नहीं। ओ ज़माना कहीं गुम गया, मेरे हाथों से वो मिट गया। मैं हूँ नगमा, ऊंचा नहीं। हाँ मैं सदमा, जो भरा नहीं। तेरी बाहों में मैं सो गया। हाँ वो सपना जिसे मैं भूल गया। यहाँ से आए थे वो तो भूल गए, और अब हम जाए कहाँ।
तो कहाँ मिला तुझे?
खुद के अंदर, मेरे दिमाग के अंदर।
कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग धुंधट बन माही, जो घाट घाट राम है दुनिया देखे नाही. A deer has the fragrance in itself and runs throughout the forest for finding it. Similarly, God and happiness is everywhere and within, but the world does not see.